Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my last W box, or the Witchcraft Way box. Again, there's nothing wrong with this box. I like it. I've gotten every one that they've made so far. It's just that with everything I have going on in my life, I'm scaling back on my boxes until I can catch up on my inventory. So let's check out what our August Witchcraft Way box has to offer. So it's meditation magic. And both sides are the same. So let's just dig in. Uplifting aromatherapy inhaler. I can't smell it. But it's lavender, sweet orange, basil, petitgrain, chamomile, and black pepper. Open cap and inhale. So that's really cool. Meditation mist. Chamomile, ravensara, lemongrass, and other centering essential oils. Nice. Got a beautiful, like, what, citrine? Ooh, there's a flash there. It's beautiful rainbow. Let me see if I can get it on camera. It's like right here. It's a really beautiful rainbow inclusion. I think you can see it a little tiny bit. Very nice. A very nice quality. I'm super pleased with it. Ooh, Raven Soothing Bath Salt with Ravensar and Vertiver. Handmade in Oregon. Yay, Oregon. Wild Rose Herbs, I know this. So very cool. I love the presentation. I love, ooh, save 20% on your next order at Wild Rose. I will be doing that when I can get my ish together. So, a beautiful little witch's meditation journal. Inhale, exhale, and make magic. Little notes, little pen. Very cool, very nice. Recharging, do not disturb with little crystals. That's really cool. I like these. So very nice. Let's check out the little Inner Balance Teacup spell kit. So that looks fun. So we got our little Inner Balance and then the instructions for the spell. We got some rose petals, a tea bag, and then this looks like tea and like a little bit of granulated honey. That's cool. That's good. Smells yummy. So let's read it a little bit so we can see what we're looking at. Relaxing tea fun, rose petals for self-love, honey to sweeten, make and stick, a tea bag, your favorite teacup or vessel, a quiet place. Teacup spell is designed to go within and get you into the right state of mind. So that's really cool. I like that. That's nice and sweet. That's one of the things I like about this box is that everything's like practical, simple, everyday magic stuff. So citrine crystal point. Love it. Meditation journal. So let me read it. Citrine is a well-rounded stone that, unlike most stone, refuses to hold on to negative energy. Instead, it grounds it and sends it away, making it great for meditation. The meditation journal. As you meditate, it's vitally important that you keep track of your findings. Whether you jot down your inner thoughts or keep notes on your favorite herbs, this journal will help you expand your practice. Meditation mist, a blend of Roman chamomile, ravensara, lemongrass, and other centering essential oils that can be used before and during meditation to enhance your journey. Inner Balance Teacup Spell Kit. This balancing teacup spell kit offers you a respite from distraction and negative thoughts and emotions long enough to create centered space in your day. The Third Eye Meditation Mask is by the Sleepy Cottage. Take a break and raise your vibes with our recharging sleep mask, perfect for keeping your meditation practice grounded and disruption-free. The aromatherapy inhaler is from Wild Essentials, LLC. This uplifting aromatherapy inhaler uses only 100% pure therapeutic-grade essential oils that contain no artificial or mysterious ingredients, perfect for meditation and focus. And then the Raven Soothing Bath Salt is from Wild Rose Herbs. Raven is a calming blend designed to detoxify the body and ease the mind. A scent reminiscent of the damp and diverse forests found in the Pacific Northwest, which is my home. A wonderful way to prepare for meditations. So love it. Great box. I'm so happy this was my last box, at least for a while, because it was a good one. I enjoyed all the items. I can use all the items. It's the most important thing. I can use all the items. The reason I'm, you know, taking a break is because, well, I need to find the time to do it. So this is the Witchcraft Way, or the W box, for August 2020. It says $50 is its full price. I've never seen it on sale for full price. I've always seen it at a discount right now, which is $39. So check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've missed you, and I can't wait to continue to connect with you in the future. Love you. Bye.